Good afternoon, children. Yes, take pencil with you, all of you. Take pencil. Yes, one rough note. Take one rough note. Pencil. Okay, children. Srihas ready. Sit properly. Srihas ready. Sit properly. Okay, open page number 14, all of you. Page number 14. Today we are going to write exercise big. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Before going to write exercise bits, okay, let us recall our yesterday's lesson. Okay, children? Sit properly. I am checking you. All of you, hands up. Down. Hands up. Down. Syed Hujair. Hands up. Down. Pull your hands. Pull your hands. Hands up. Hands up. Pull. Up. Pull. Stand up. Stand up. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Isha, you're not standing, Isha. Stand. Sit. Okay. All of you, connect your earphones to your mobile. Are you ready? Sit properly, all of you. Take pencil with you and open page number 14. Open page number 14. Okay? Okay, Nana? Open page number 14, all of you. Open page number 14, children. Open page number 14.
స్క్రీన్ వచ్చింది.
స్టాప్ షేరింగ్ అని వచ్చింది సార్ మళ్ళీ. హలో సార్.
Okay, children. Yesterday we discussed about our country, India. Total lesson we was finished, children. Isn't it? Okay. Then what we discussed, children? What we discussed about our country. Yes, we have different types of landforms in our country. Yes, children. As well as India is the seventh largest country. Isn't it? Is that no, children? Okay. Then it is a second most populated country. Yes, Nana? After the China. After the China. Then what we discussed, more than 100 crore people living here. India is most populated country in the world after China. It is also one of the most beautiful country in the world. Okay, children? India is located in the continent of Asia. It is the seventh largest country in the world. More than 100 crore people was living in our country. Okay? Do you know India is the most populated country in the world after the China? Means China is first most populated country. After that, next second place is India. Then what is the meaning of populated? What is the meaning of populated? Yes? Yes, అధిక జనాభా కలిగి ఉన్న country అన్నమాట. Isn't it, children? It is also one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Means different types of landforms was located in our country. Yes? Okay. North on the top of a map. Always, what is the top of a map? North. Yes, children? Next, bottom, south. Right, east. Left, west. Isn't it, children? Okay. Our country is not the same everywhere. Not the same everywhere means మన కంట్రీ మొత్తంలో కూడా ఇక్కడ సమానమైన ల్యాండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ land features ఉండవు. Different types of places have different types of land features. Yes, children? North side. If we visit north side, what is there here? You can see here. Okay, what you see here, children? Yes, you can see here Himalayas. What you can see, children? Here, Himalayas. Yes, north part of our country is located by Himalayas. And towards the south, what you can see here? Sea, northern plains. What you can see, children, here? Plains. And next to the south part of our country, what is here, children? Deccan Plateau. Isn't it? Again, what do you see here? West side, deserts, Great Indian deserts. Isn't it, children? Okay. Then we also discussed about mountain ranges. What we discussed, children? Mountain ranges. Number of mountain rows form a mountain range. Isn't it, children? Number of mountain rows form a mountain range. Yes? Number of rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the sequence wise. అంటే ఇలా నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ రోస్ ఉన్న దానిని మనం ఏమంటాం children? Mountain range. Isn't it? Then what we discussed? Okay. Next. Okay. We also discussed that to the north of our country, it was located by Himalaya. You can see here in the picture. Yes, children, Himalayas and Mount. These regions have some of the highest peaks in the world. Mount Everest. Yes, Mount Everest is the highest peak. What is the meaning of peak? Peak means it is a top top portion of a mountain. Yes, these are called what, children? Peaks. What is the highest peak in the world? Okay, children. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. It is also a part of Himalayan range. The high peaks are covered with always, these regions are covered with snow. Always these regions are covered by snow. Snow means manchuతో కప్పబడి ఉంటుంది throughout the year. And these regions experience వెరీ కోల్డ్ టెంపరేచర్, అంటే చాలా చాలా చల్లగా ఉంటుంది ఈ రీజియన్ లో. ఇంకా ఓకే, యూ కెన్ ఆల్సో సీ ఇన్ ద పిక్చర్ మౌంట్ ఎవరెస్ట్. చిల్డ్రన్, it seems to be very cool. It appears to be very cool, isn't it? Many of our big rivers, okay, like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, starts from the Himalayas as they flow down to the plains. Yes, many of the rivers starts from the Himalayas, isn't it, children? Yes, you can also see in the picture here. Okay, you can also see in this picture many of the rivers you can find here. Ganga, yes children, Satluj, Brahmaputra. Yes, from where they are starting, children? From the north part of our country, Himalayas. From where they are starting, children? From Himalayas, isn't it? Is there no? Yes. Then as they flow down, then as they flow down to the plain, several smaller rivers join the main rivers. Yes, children, if they are coming from the Himalayas, several small rivers also you can able to see in the picture here. Yes, you can able to see, okay, several small rivers join the main river. Okay, oka river పారుతూ వెళ్తున్న టైంలో ఇంకా చిన్న చిన్న రివర్స్ అనేటివి మెయిన్ రివర్ లో జాయిన్ అవుతాయి అన్నమాట. ఓకే, next, the melting snow from the mountains keep the rivers fed through the hot and dry summer months. As we move down to the slopes, we find thick forests. They are called Terai region. Okay, children, the forests are also called Terai region. Yes, the melting snow from the mountains keep these rivers fed throughout the hot and dry summer months. Means as the rivers flowing from the Himalayas, yes or no? As the rivers flow from the Himalayas, we can also able to see these rivers do not dry up. అంటే ఎండిపోవు. ఇప్పుడు సమ్మర్ మంత్స్ లో కానీ నెక్స్ట్ rainy season, every time the water will be there in the rivers. Yes, we discussed in our last class. What we discussed, some of the seasonal rivers is there in the south part of our country. They are called seasonal rivers. Okay, children, అంటే వర్షం కురిసినప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఆ రివర్స్ అనేటివి ఫ్లో అవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది, isn't it? If we move down part of the Himalayas, we can also able to see here Terai region means thick forest. Forest means yes, they are covered by plants as well as few animals also live in the forest. And what is the northern plains? Yes, we discussed northern plains. They are mostly thickly populated. Yes, children, plains are thickly populated means plains are thickly populated means అంటే ఎక్కువ people ఇక్కడ northern plains లో ఎక్కువ people ఉంటారు. Why? Because as the Himalayas they bring, okay, as the Himalayas the rivers carry water as well as, yes, soil to the northern plains. They get deposited and the people used these plain surface to grow crops well. Okay, and also here the soil deposited is very fertile. అంటే చాలా బలంగా ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ సాయిల్. ఇక్కడ ప్లాంట్స్ కూడా చాలా బాగా గ్రో అవుతాయి. This region is very suitable to grow crops in highly amount. అంటే చాలా వరకు కూడా పంటలు బాగా పండుతాయి అన్నమాట ఇక్కడ నార్దర్న్ ప్లేన్స్ region. Okay children, these are also called Gangetic plains. Yes children, many rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna flow through these plains. Yes, well-known cities are also there in the northern plains. Then what we discussed about Thar desert? Yes, a desert. What is a desert, children? A large area of land covered by sand. Yes, deserts are very less populated. In desert regions, people live in less number. Means why the people live in less number? Because why? What is the problem, children? Yes, there is very little rainfall in the desert area. Okay, if we see miles and miles, what we can see in desert area, it is fully covered with the sand. People use mostly camels to travel long distance. Okay, వర్షం అనేది చాలా తక్కువగా పడుతుంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ పంటలు అనేటివి చాలా తక్కువగా గ్రో అవడం జరుగుతుంది. సో పంటలు వాటర్ తక్కువగా ఉన్న దగ్గర పీపుల్ కూడా తక్కువగానే ఉంటారు. బికాస్ వి నీడ్ సఫిషియంట్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ అండ్ వాటర్ టు లివ్. ఇజంట్ ఇట్ చిల్డ్రన్? మనకి ఫుడ్ వాటర్ సఫిషియంట్ గా ఉన్న ప్లేస్ లో మనం కంఫర్టబుల్ గా ఉండగలుగుతాం. ఓకే, దట్స్ రైట్. Okay, the ship of the desert. What is the ship of the desert? A camel, isn't it? Okay, Nana, it can survive. Camel can survive for a long days without food and water. Yes. Then what we discussed about Deccan Plateau? The southern part of India is peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land jutting into the sea and surrounded by large water bodies. Yes, you can also see in this picture. Okay. What is there in the picture? Yes, this is the region. All sides it is covered by water bodies. Isn't it, children? Yes. Okay. You can also see here water bodies. Okay, three sides it is covered by water bodies. This is the region which is jetting into the sea, means the water లోపలికి పొడవుగా narrow shape లో వాటర్ రీజియన్ లో కవర్ అయి ఉంటుంది బేట. this region is called peninsula. These three sides it is covered by water. Okay, okay, to the south of the peninsula it is Indian Ocean. You can also see right side, means what is this, children? What is the right direction? East. What you can see? Bay of Bengal. Isn't it, children? Then Arabian Sea. Okay, west is Arabian Sea. Isn't it? Oh. Then okay. We also discussed about the south side. It is called a Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau. The rivers flow in this Deccan Plateau is Kaveri, Godavari, Krishna, and Mahanadi. Isn't it, children? Some part of the Deccan Plateau is covered with thick forest. Okay, the weather condition there is neither too hot nor too cold. Yes, children. Then what are the Ghats? We discussed about Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. These are the place located by mountains, but these mountains are not high as Himalayan ranges. Okay, here are the mountains, but these are not high as Himalayan mountain range. They have also coastal plains. Okay, children, these coastal plains situated in the narrow strips. Narrow strips means chala sannati irukuga unde. Strips means this is straight lines. Okay, towards the seas. Okay, children. Then we also discussed about islands. Island is a piece of land which is surrounded all sides by water bodies. Yes, we also have islands. Okay, what islands you can see here, children? Yes, here is the island. This is a piece of a land which is surrounded all sides by water bodies. Okay. What islands you can see in our country? Yes. To the west, in the Arabian Sea. What is the island here, children? Lakshadweep. Then Bay of Bengal. What are these islands? Okay, in the Sea of Bay of Bengal, what are the islands located here? Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Isn't it, children? Okay. Yesterday, I told you to read. What I told you to read, children? Yes. Yes, textbook bits. I told you to read textbook bits. Isn't it? Yes, lesson as well as you can also solve exercise bits. I said to. Isn't it? Then page number 19. All of you get ready with your pencil. All of you. Write T for true and F for false sentences. Okay, children? Then listen question properly and answer it. Put brackets beside the question. Put brackets. Put brackets beside the question. India is the third most populated country in the world. What was the question asking, children? India is the third most populated country in the world. Okay, in the term population wise, is India takes third place? No. Then what is India's place, children? Yes. First one, false. Second place. India is the second most populated country in the world, not third. Okay. Put F. Put F. Okay. Why this is F? Because India is the second most populated country in the world. Okay. Then what is the second one? What is the second one? Okay, Nana. Put brackets beside the question. Put brackets beside the question, children. All of you. Put brackets beside the question. Okay, first one is false. And the Himalayas is the highest mountain range in the world. Himalayas is the highest mountain range in the world. Yes. Why it is true? Yes, to the north part of our country is located by Himalayan ranges. Means number of rows of a mountains called a range. Isn't it, children? It is located in our country, to the north part of our country. They are located north part of our country. Okay? Then it is very cold at night in a desert. Yes. During the daytime, it is very hot. During the night time, it is very cold. In the desert. In the desert. Isn't it, children? Okay, winters are very cold at night time. And also in summer season also, daytime it receives very hot weather and night time it is very cool. This is the answer true. Okay. Then fourth one. Children, fourth one. All rivers in India get water from melting snow in the mountains. See, children, listen question properly. All rivers in India get water from melting snow in the mountains. All rivers means? Yes. ఇండియాలో ఉన్న అన్ని రివర్స్ కి మౌంటేనియస్ రీజియన్ నుండి స్నో మెల్ట్ అయి వాటర్ వస్తాయా అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. నో. వై? బికాస్ నార్త్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ our country is located by Himalayas. As they covered with snow, the snow melts and forms rivers, and northern plains receive that rivers. But the south part of our country, okay, to the south part of our country, that the places of rivers, when they fill, yes, during the seasons. Yes, children, during the rainy season, they are called seasonal rivers. They are also called seasonal rivers. Okay, all rivers in India annadu kada. So all rivers in India is not getting water from the mountainous areas. Okay, some part of our country is getting water from mountain regions by melting snow. Okay, the rivers make the Gangetic Plain very fertile. The rivers make the Gangetic Plain very fertile. Yes. Why? Because? Why, children? Yes. North part of our country is covered by Himalayas. Okay. As the snow melts, okay, they flow as rivers. As the rivers flow to the northern plains, what they receive, children? Okay, along with the water, they will also carry soil to the plains. That's why these Gangetic plains are very fertile. Okay, the river water also brings soil to the Gangetic plains. These makes these northern plains very fertile. Okay, fertile means chala balamaina. Okay, it is neither too hot nor too cold in Deccan Plateau. Yes, because some places it is covered by forest as well as they receive very moderate temperature in Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau means we are the people, we are so living in the Deccan Plateau only. Isn't it, children? Okay. Have you finished? Check all of you, children. Check. First one. India is the third most populated country in the world. Okay. The Himalayas in the highest mountain range in the world. True. It is very cold at night in a desert. True. All rivers in India get water from melting snow in the mountains. False. Rivers make the Gangetic Plain very fertile. True. It is neither too hot nor too cold in the Deccan Plateau. True. Yes. Isn't it? Have you finished, everybody? Okay. Let us move to next page. Okay, children? Okay, page number 20. Page number 20. Open all of you page number 20. Okay. Multiple choice questions. Okay, children? Multiple choice questions. Okay. We have three options here. And question was given. The dash lies to the south of India. Yes, children? The dash lies to the south of India. Which ocean will lies to the south of India? Can you see in the picture? Yes. Without picture, do you name? Yes. This part is south. Then what is the ocean there here? Indian Ocean. Isn't it? Is there in our option? Is there? All of you check. Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Then what is the correct answer? Indian Ocean. Isn't it, children? Yes? The Indian Ocean, the Indian Ocean lies to the south of India. Okay, what is the correct answer? B. You can also write in this blank. Isn't it, children? Okay. Indian Ocean. Okay. Then second one. Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the dash. Yes, children? Andaman and Nicobar Islands, piece of a land that is all surrounded by water. Yes, where are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands lies? Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean. Okay? Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal or Indian Ocean. Yes, you can also search this question by watching our map. Isn't it? Yes. Okay. You can also see in the picture here Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Yes. In which ocean? In which sea it is lies, Nana? It lies in Bay of Bengal Sea. Isn't it? Yes. Bay of Bengal. Okay. Andaman and Nicobar Islands lies in the Bay of Bengal. Let us put circle. Okay. Right here. Write in the blank. Okay. Right here, children. Bay of Bengal. Okay. Write in this blank, children. Bay of Bengal. Finish here. Bay of Bengal. And third one. India is the dash largest country in the world. And third one. India is the dash largest country in the world. Not population. Asking here area. Term area wise. In which place India is situated? Third, fifth, seventh. Yes, 7. Circle and write 7. Okay, children? 7. Okay. Next, the Himalayas lie to the dash of India. Which part, which direction, children? The Himalayas lie to the dash of India. North, south, east. Yes. North direction. Yes. You can also write here N O R T H. North. Okay. The rivers. Next fifth one. The rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra start from the dash. Western Ghats, Bay of Bengal, Himalayas. Yes, Ganga and Brahmaputra starts from Himalayas. You can also write in this plan, children. Yes. Okay, check your answers. The Indian Ocean lies to the south of India. Yes. Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal. India is the 7th largest country in the world. The Himalayas lie to the north of India. The rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra start from the Himalayas. Children, have you finished? Okay. Then, after completing our class, you have to read this lesson as well as textbook bits. We also have here thoughts, think and answer, enrichment activities, hands-on life skills. Okay? Children, those who not finished your second lesson CW, finish as soon as possible. Okay? Write the hard words, children. First of all, open fresh page and write 10 hard words. After that, you can choose question and answers. You can write answers from WHS app. Yes, children. You can write your question from your textbook. Okay? Okay, children. Then finish. Yes. Let us have discussion here about thoughts, think and answer. Okay? So second lesson, you can also write third lesson CW, children. See, here are the questions. You should also write this bit. It's 2 bits, children. You should write these 2 bits. D bit, B bit and C bit. You also underline. You can also write hard words. Those we underlined in our class. Yes, children. We underlined few hard words in our textbook. Okay. You can also write that. Okay. Open fresh page. Keep heading and write hard words. Okay. 10 hard words. After writing hard words, keep vivid heading. Define in a sentence and write one by one. First of all, keep side heading desert and write the answer from app. And peninsula, keep heading and write app from the app this answer. Okay, these are the one word, one line answers to the island, plateau, okay, plain. Before starting our new lesson, you have to finish this lesson CW. Okay, okay, children. After that, you can also check here. Answer the following questions. How many question answers? Only 4. Only 4 question answers. Isn't it, children? Okay. Entry question and write answer. Question and write answer. Third question. Don't skip questions. This questions రాయకుండా answers రాయడం అనేది జరగకూడదు. Okay. After our class, read complete lesson, children. Okay. And also read exercise bits. Also write a Saturday and Sunday. From Saturday, this Saturday, Sunday, you have holidays, isn't it? You have to finish this lesson CW part. Okay? Will you finish, children? Will you finish? Okay, very good. Next, we will start our new lesson. That is our states. Okay, before starting new lesson, I told you to read from first lesson. First lesson, second lesson and third lesson. 3 lessons you have to finish your notes, okay, and complete reading question and answers as well as textbook bits, okay. మీకు ఏ మాత్రం ఖాళీ టైం దొరికినా కూడా చదవడానికి ప్రయత్నించండి. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో మీకు న్యూ లెసన్ స్టార్ట్ చేసే ముందు నేను మీ అందరినీ కూడా ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ థర్డ్ లెసన్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ అడగడం జరుగుతుంది. ఎస్, ఒక లెసన్ అయిపోగానే వెంటనే సిడబ్ల్యూ రాయగానే వెంటనే ఆ లెసన్ మీరు చదివేయాలి. ఇజంట్ ఇట్ చిల్డ్రన్? వింటున్నారా? ఎస్, ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ కాగానే ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ యొక్క క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్, సెకండ్ లెసన్ అయిపోగానే సెకండ్ లెసన్ యొక్క క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్ అండ్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ బేస్ we first finished. Yes, only less bits you have, question and answers, textbook bits, okay. You have to finish, okay. Read and write notes, children. ఏం చేయాలి? చూడకుండా రాయాలి, okay. Will you write? Yes. First lesson డైలీ ఒక 3 క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ చదువుకోండి అమ్మా. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ బిట్స్ చదువుకోండి, ఓకే. డైలీ ఒక 1 లెసన్ చదువుకున్నా కూడా 3 డేస్ లో 3 లెసన్స్ ఫినిష్ అయిపోతాయి, ఓకే. హౌ మచ్ టైం యు రిక్వైర్ ఫర్ రీడింగ్ క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్? yes yes 1 hour is enough. Make it understand and read, children. Okay, బట్టిఫై చేయొద్దు. దా 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 ఇండియా 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 ఈజ్ అలా చేయకుండా క్వశ్చన్ ని అర్థం చేసుకుని ఆన్సర్ ని రీడ్ చేయాలి. yes how? see here, name any 5 rivers of India. yes, is there here? yes, in our lesson what we discussed, మరి రివర్స్ గురించి మేము ఏం డిస్కషన్ చేసాము? you have to think about that. Then what are the rivers we have? Ganga river, yes, Satluj river, Brahmaputra river, Narmada. Name any 5 అని అడిగాడు ఇక్కడ, okay, Indian rivers. So you can also identify from our map, you can also identify from our lesson, isn't it, children? yes. Name any 2 groups of islands which are part of India, our Indian islands. Island means a piece of a land that is surrounded all sides by water bodies. You can also write Lakshadweep Islands and Andaman and Nicobar Islands.